Upon arrival, conveyor systems gently unload the crates into designated receiving bays for immediate processing.
Quality check on line 3 looks good. Keep monitoring for soft spots. Automated scales measure the weight of each batch accurately, while sensors detect any initial contaminants or defects present.
Rejected fruits are diverted to a separate composting zone to minimize waste and promote sustainability practices.
Approved raspberries move forward on wide conveyor belts toward the initial sorting stations, equipped with optical scanners.
These scanners use laser technology to categorize berries by size, color, and maturity levels in real time.
Smaller or underripe raspberries get separated for alternative uses like purees or secondary products efficiently. The sorted batches then proceed to vibrating tables that gently shake off loose leaves and stems without damaging the delicate skins.
Air blowers integrated into the system remove lightweight debris such as dust particles and tiny insects from the surfaces.
A preliminary rinse with cool filtered water flushes away any remaining field residues before deeper cleaning begins.
In the washing section, raspberries immerse in large stainless steel tanks filled with agitated water containing mild sanitizing agents. Rotating brushes scrub each berry thoroughly to eliminate pesticides and microbial contaminants while preserving natural textures.
Overflow systems continuously refresh the water to maintain hygiene standards and prevent cross-contamination between batches. Drained raspberries emerge onto mesh conveyors, where high-velocity air dryers evaporate excess moisture quickly and evenly.
Quality assurance teams sample random berries at this stage to test for pH levels and sugar content using digital meters. Data from these tests get logged into centralized computer systems for traceability and process optimization purposes.
The dried raspberries then enter the crushing chamber, housing powerful hydraulic presses designed for gentle extraction. Collected juice flows through fine mesh filters to separate solids from liquids in a continuous, streamlined operation.
Pulp residues are conveyed to adjacent areas for further processing into fiber-rich additives or byproducts. Meanwhile, the clear raspberry juice accumulates in temperature-controlled holding tanks to prevent oxidation and flavor degradation.
Agitators inside the tanks keep the juice homogeneous while awaiting the next infusion phase with elderberry extracts.
In parallel lines, elderberries arrive from separate suppliers and undergo similar initial inspections in dedicated receiving zones.
Workers verify the elderberries for freshness and absence of toxic stems using manual and automated checks combined.
Sorted elderberries move to destemming machines that vibrate and rotate to detach berries from clusters efficiently and safely.
Removed stems are collected for recycling into mulch or other eco-friendly materials within the factory premises.
The destemmed elderberries then enter washing basins with ozonated water to kill bacteria and remove any lingering impurities thoroughly. Gentle tumbling actions ensure even exposure to the cleaning solution without bruising the fragile fruits excessively.
Post-wash, elderberries dry under laminar airflow hoods that maintain sterile conditions and optimal humidity levels. Samples from this batch undergo rapid testing for anthocyanin content and antioxidant properties using spectrophotometers.
Approved elderberries proceed to steam blanching units, where brief heat exposure softens skins and enhances juice yield potential. Blanched berries cool rapidly in chilled air tunnels to lock in colors and nutrients before crushing begins.
Heavy-duty rollers crush the elderberries progressively to extract maximum juice while minimizing seed fragmentation issues.
The resulting mash passes through centrifugal separators that spin at high speeds to isolate pure juice from pomace. Pomace gets dehydrated in oven dryers for use in dietary supplements or animal feed production lines.
Extracted elderberry juice collects in insulated vats equipped with pH monitoring probes and temperature regulators.
Here, the juice stabilizes under controlled environments to prepare for the critical fruit infusion process ahead. Technicians calibrate mixing equipment to blend raspberry juice with elderberry extract in precise volumetric ratios determined by recipes.
Large stainless steel mixers with paddle agitators combine the juices slowly to achieve uniform flavor distribution and color blending.
Natural preservatives like citric acid get added gradually during mixing to extend shelf life without altering tastes.
The infused mixture undergoes homogenization under high pressure to emulsify components and create smooth textures consistently. If adjustments are needed, automated valves introduce small amounts of water or concentrates seamlessly.
The homogenized blend then flows to pasteurization units, where flash heating eliminates pathogens while retaining heat-sensitive vitamins effectively. Cooled post-pasteurization, the liquid enters filtration systems with multiple membrane stages to remove any microscopic particles remaining.
Bottling lines activate as the product reaches filling stations, equipped with volumetric dispensers for accurate portioning. Capping machines apply tamper-evident seals securely to each bottle in synchronized movements. Labeled bottles feature vibrant designs, highlighting the raspberry infusion and nutritional benefits prominently.
Quality control inspectors examine random samples for seal integrity and label accuracy, using visual and digital tools.
Approved bottles move to packaging robots that group them into cartons, with protective dividers included.
Cartons seal automatically and stack onto pallets for efficient warehouse storage preparation.
Forklifts transport the palletized products to climate-controlled storage areas, monitored for temperature and humidity constantly.
Inventory systems update in real time to track batch numbers and expiration dates meticulously. Final shipments prepare as orders come in from distributors across various regions nationwide.
Loading docks facilitate the transfer of pallets onto refrigerated trucks designed for perishable goods transportation.
The factory's sustainable practices include recycling water from washing stages through advanced filtration plants on site.
Energy-efficient LED lighting illuminates all processing areas to reduce electricity consumption significantly throughout operations. Employee training sessions emphasize safety protocols and hygiene standards to maintain an accident-free work environment consistently. Advanced automation reduces manual labor while increasing precision in every production step involved. The entire operation adheres to strict FDA regulations and organic certification requirements without compromise.
This comprehensive approach ensures the final fruit-infused elderberry products deliver exceptional quality and health benefits to end users.
The factory's quality assurance laboratory operates continuously, with technicians conducting microbial tests on retained samples from every batch. Advanced chromatography machines analyze the final infused liquid for exact anthocyanin and polyphenol concentrations.
Digital refractometers conform the precise sugar-to-acid ratio that defines the signature raspberry-elderberry balance. Colorimeters measure the deep purple hue against standardized charts to ensure visual consistency across production runs.
Retained samples get sealed and stored in refrigerated archives for 2 years to support full traceability requirements.
Only batches passing all laboratory parameters receive electronic approval for release into finished goods inventory. Sterile filling rooms maintain positive air pressure to prevent airborne contamination during the bottling sequence.
Automated bottle washers spray high-pressure hot water followed by ionized air to achieve complete sanitation inside each container.
Converted bottles travel through UV tunnels that eliminate any remaining microorganisms on interior surfaces effectively.
Nitrogen gas injection displaces oxygen at the headspace to extend shelf life and preserve antioxidant properties naturally. Induction sealing machines apply aluminum foil liners that bond perfectly under electromagnetic heat application.
High-speed capping heads twist child-resistant closures with consistent torque values for safety and reliability. Vision systems with multiple cameras inspect every bottle from all angles at 600 units per minute. Bottles showing imperfect seals or incorrect fill levels get rejected automatically into locked bins for rework. Approved bottles advance toward the labeling station, where pressure-sensitive labels wrap around perfectly centered.
Inkjet printers add batch codes, production dates, and expiration dates in high resolution directly onto each label.
Cartoning machines erect recycled cardboard boxes and insert the filled trays with protective foam inserts included. Boxes close and glue seamlessly before passing through weight checkers that verify correct bottle count instantly.
Metal detectors scan every carton to confirm the complete absence of foreign metallic objects inside.
Palletizing robots stack finished cartons in precise layers, separated by sturdy cardboard sheets for stability. Automated stretch wrapping machines encase each pallet in multiple layers of clear film for secure transportation.
Barcode scanners read pallet labels and update warehouse management systems with exact location data immediately.
The finished goods warehouse maintains 18 degrees Celsius temperature with humidity controlled below 60% year-round. Overhead cranes move heavy pallets efficiently between storage aisles and shipping bays as needed.
A transcription. Order fulfillment teams receive digital picking lists that guide forklifts to exact pallet locations.
Outbound trucks back into climate-controlled loading docks equipped with hydraulic levelers and seals.
Temperature recording devices attached to every shipment to monitor conditions throughout the delivery journey continuously.
Wastewater from cleaning operations flows into an on-site treatment plant with biological digestion tanks.
Anaerobic bacteria break down organic matter while generating methane, captured for facility heating needs.
Treated water passes through reverse osmosis membranes before reuse in non-contact cooling systems effectively.
Spent berry pomace gets pressed into dense cakes and sold to local farmers as nutrient-rich soil amendment. Cardboard and plastic waste undergo automated sorting before compaction into bales for recycling partners. Solar panels covering the factory roof generate 30% of daily electricity requirements sustainably.
Motion sensor lighting activates only in occupied zones to minimize unnecessary energy consumption constantly.
Research laboratories experiment with new raspberry elderberry ratios to develop seasonal limited edition flavors regularly.
Freeze-drying trials convert excess infused liquid into lightweight powder for capsule production lines.
Consumer sensory panels taste upcoming formulations under controlled lighting to provide preference data.
Package design teams create mock-ups tested for shelf impact and readability in retail environments.
Look at how the deep purple pops here. We highlight the natural infusion process right next to the elderberries.
Annual third-party audits verify compliance with Global Food Safety Initiative standards without exceptions.
Check the harvest date against the pesticide log.
Traceability Code 4B confirms the declaration.
Employee health monitoring programs include regular training on allergen control and cross-contamination prevention measures.
Emergency response teams conduct monthly drills covering fire evacuation and chemical spill containment procedures. Fire suppression systems use clean agent gas in electronics areas to protect sensitive equipment safely.
Security cameras and access control systems protect the facility perimeter and critical production zones continuously.
The entire factory operates under a zero waste to landfill philosophy, implemented through comprehensive recycling initiatives.
Monthly sustainability reports track water usage, energy consumption, and waste diversion rates for continuous improvement.
Community outreach programs donate surplus products to local food banks and educational institutions regularly.
Internship opportunities allow students to observe modern food processing techniques in a real-world setting.
The facility serves as an industry benchmark for combining traditional fruit benefits with cutting-edge manufacturing technology seamlessly. Every bottle leaving the production line represents hundreds of precise steps executed with unwavering attention to detail.
This meticulous process transforms simple raspberries and elderberries into premium health products enjoyed worldwide daily. The factory continues evolving to meet growing demand while upholding the highest standards of quality and sustainability always.
Trucks loaded with harvested raspberries travel along winding rural roads toward the sprawling factory complex under clear blue skies. Upon arrival, conveyor systems gently unload the crates into designated receiving bays for immediate processing.
Workers in protective gear inspect the incoming raspberries for ripeness and quality in the brightly lit receiving area of the factory.
Automated scales measure the weight of each batch accurately, while sensors detect any initial contaminants or defects present. Rejected fruits are diverted to a composting zone to minimize waste. Approved raspberries move forward on. These scanners use laser technology to categorize berries by size, color, and maturity levels in real time. Smaller or underripe raspberries get separated for alternative uses like purees or secondary products efficiently. The sorted batches then proceed to vibrating tables that gently shake off loose leaves and stems without damaging the delicate skins. Air blowers integrated into the system remove lightweight debris such as dust particles and tiny insects from the surfaces. A preliminary rinse with cool filtered water flushes away any remaining field residues before deeper cleaning begins.
In the washing section, raspberries immerse in large stainless steel tanks filled with agitated water containing mild sanitizing agents.
Rotating brushes scrub each berry thoroughly to eliminate pesticides and microbial contaminants while preserving natural textures.
Overflow systems continuously refresh the water to maintain hygiene standards and prevent cross-contamination between batches.
Drained raspberries emerge onto mesh conveyors, where high-velocity air dryers evaporate excess moisture quickly and evenly.